Hi guys, it's Louise with Gallery 1 Point Fashion. Hey, just wanted a quick reminder that today is your free mini class at the Legacy Rental Homes. Now we will be there in person in one of the model homes, so please drop by, get your free demo. It's a great mini class. It's very informative. Today we're going to talk about hand stitching. And I have a surprise for you installed, but you have to show up. Now, yes, we have snacks. Yes, we'll have beverages in person. And you will learn these valuable lessons on how to hand stitch. These are real important skills to pick up and need through your life. So enjoy. Can't wait to see you. Now, if you can't make it there, do tune in to our account in Instagram. That's Gallery, the number 1 and Point. We will be there between 6:30 and 7 p.m. So do jump on. Can't wait to see you. We're real excited. You're gonna see a little surprise in there. I've got a surprise, but you have to show up to get the surprise. So again, that's today at Legacy Rental Homes, 1108 Legacy Drive, Pflugerville, from 6:30 to 7. Or you can just jump on our live broadcast because it will be broadcasted live on Instagram. That's Gallery, the number 1 Point. Or you can actually search us under Gallery 1 Point Fashion and we'll pop up as well. Can't wait to see you. Have a great day.